Tired of your social media content feeling like a total free-for-all? Let's transform that chaos into a perfectly organized social media machine using Trello, starting with creating a new board and naming it something like Social Media Content Calendar. Now, build your workflow by creating columns that represent each stage of your content creation process, like ideas, where you can brainstorm potential posts and add them as cards. Next is to do, where you move your best ideas and flush them out, adding descriptions, due dates, and even checklists to break down tasks like writing copy, creating visuals, and getting approvals. After tasks are done, move them to in review so a teammate or manager can give their feedback, ensuring all your posts are aligned with your brand. Then it is time to move things to scheduled. This is where the magic happens. You can integrate Trello with social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your posts directly from your Trello cards, ensuring consistent delivery. And last but not least, published, where completed posts live. You can even add engagement metrics to track performance and inform future content, giving you a clear view of what's working and what's not. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to organize your social media content with Trello. Now go create some engaging content.